5125 years ago, Bhagavan Sri Krishna told Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna in just 45 minutes. I personally call Bhagavad Gita is the world's #1 personal transformation tool, which is not bounded to any particular religion. Bhagavad Gita contains 18 chapters in which there are 700 different shlokas. In chapter 6, Bhagavan Sri Krishna revealed some of the benefits, some of the secrets of meditation. So if you want to learn the art of meditation given by Bhagavan Sri Krishna himself, please watch this video till the end.
शुचो देशे प्रतिष्ठाप्य स्थिरमासनमात्मनः नात्युच्छ्रितं नातिनीचं चैलाजीनकुशोत्तरम्. Meaning of this shloka: to practice yoga, one should make an asana or sit in a sanctified place by placing kushagrass, deer skin, and a cloth one over the other. The asana should be neither too high nor too low. When aspirant start his meditation practice, he must take care of the external environment, because in initial stage of sadhana, this external environment does make impact the mind. As sadhaka goes deeper into the next stages of sadhana, sadhaka can achieve internal purity even in dirty and unclean places as well. Kush means grass mat. It is somehow difficult to find it nowadays. So we can use a yoga mat or cloth setting for meditation. As the main reason behind this, it is provide temperature isolation from the ground. The deer skin atop it is used by only yogis, which is of course dead deer skin, not to kill a deer and then use it, because it deters poisonous pests like snakes and scorpions from approaching while one is in deep meditation. If asana is too high, there is the risk of falling off. If the asana is too low, there is a danger of disturbance from insects on the ground. But as in the modern times, we are not meditating outside in the forest or in the mountains, so we must take care of the only a clean environment and asana. Tatraikagram manah krutva yatachittendriyakriyah upavishyasane yunjat yogamatma vishuddhaye. Sri Krishna explained the importance of posture in meditation in this shloka. Many people while meditating experience laziness and they tend to sleep because our mind does not feel comfortable and bliss in contemplation on God while doing meditation. So it seeks outside thoughts. To avoid this problem, Sri Krishna gives the instruction to sit erect. There are number of meditation asanas explained in the book of Hatha Yoga Pradipika, like Padmasana, Ardha Padmasana, Sukhasana, and Siddhasana. You can choose whatever asanas you want, but make sure that you must comfortably sit without moving during the period of the meditation. By taking reference of Patanjali Yoga Sutra, verse 2.46, Sthira Sukham Asanam. To practice meditation, sit motionless in any posture that you are comfortable in. Some people are unable to sit on the ground due to knee problems. They should not feel discouraged. They can even practice meditation while sitting on a chair, provided they fulfill the condition of sitting motionless and erect. Samam kaya shiro grivam dharayanna chalam stiraha Samprekshanasikagram swam tishashanavalokayan. In this verse, Sri Krishna states that the eyes should be made to focus on the tip of the nose and prevented wandering. But for many people, it is not possible to perform meditation in this manner. So the alternative to this, the eyes can also be kept closed or your focus in the center in between your eyebrows. Both these techniques will be helpful in blocking out worldly distractions. So meditation sit, that is asana, and the posture plays an important role in meditation. As we become consistent in meditation practice, we can definitely experience the new realm of joy and ecstasy. The practice of meditation helps you to create your best personality, and it truly awakens the dormant potential within.
So this is all about art of meditation given in the Bhagavad Gita. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe to this channel by pressing the red button, and don't forget to press the bell icon because you will get instant notification as soon as we upload the video. And share this video with all your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.